I love the big mountains. I love the big mountains. Hiking is a great sport. Hiking is a great sport. I have my hiking boots. I have my hiking boots. The path is very long. The path is very long. Look at the green trees. Look at the green trees. The air is very fresh. The air is very fresh. I need some cold water. I need some cold water. The sun is shining bright. The sun is shining bright. This mountain is very high. This mountain is very high. We walk slowly uphill now. We walk slowly uphill now. Do you like the view? Do you like the view? The view is so beautiful. The view is so beautiful. I have a heavy bag. I have a heavy bag. It is a sunny day. It is a sunny day. We see many wild birds. We see many wild birds. Hiking makes me very happy. Hiking makes me very happy. We need a paper map. We need a paper map. Stay on the main path. Stay on the main path. Safety is very important here. Safety is very important here. We will reach the top. We will reach the top. Rest for a short time. Rest for a short time. Drink water to feel good. Drink water to feel good. The rocks are very big. The rocks are very big. Watch your step right now. Watch your step right now. I like this quiet place. I like this quiet place. Nature is amazing to see. Nature is amazing to see. Let us take a photo. Let us take a photo. The journey is ending now. The journey is ending now.